कौन से सभ्य समाज की सभ्यता वाली किताब में ऐसा लिखा गया है कि लड़कियों को नाचना गाना शोभा नहीं देता? एक लड़की का इस समाज में देर रात तक काम करना क्यों लोगों को स्वीकार्य नहीं होता? ये लड़का लड़की मित्र हैं, तो हमेशा लड़की के ही अस्तित्व पर प्रश्न चिन्ह क्यों लगाया जाता है? Be sleeveless, be simple and serene, and many more conservative taglines had been given to us. Since the time of the birth, a copy of do's and don'ts was circulated in the entire women community. Or in professional words, we can say that code of conduct.
From moon to mass communication, from politics to the world of social influences, from national to international, women had achieved greatest height of the success. But still today, women frightened to go out after evening. Why is this so? Let's ask this question with ourselves for once.
Quoting one of the most famous lines said by Jaishankar Prasad, नारी तुम श्रद्धा हो, विश्वास रजत नग पगदल, निश्चय पथ पर चला करो जीवन के सुंदर समतल में. We talk a lot about women empowerment, but in reality, its territory only lies to newspapers, magazine, TV debates. And when it comes to the real world, all disappears. On one hand, we pray to Maa Durga. We worship her and pray for a better life and family. And on the other hand, we keep disrespecting the sentiments of women community. Isn't it a contradicting statement at the same time?
For sure, a contradicting statement. And for sure, this is something that is needed to be taught since the very beginning of our childhood. So we, the team in Actus Shyamlal College Evening, are trying to light up some dark and show you where we lack in the women's safety. So without any further delay, let's start.
The most dangerous country of sexual violence against women, according to Thomson Reuters Foundation survey.
278,886 rape cases over last 5 years.
109 children are sexually assaulted every day.
1.6 in 1 lakh minors are raped each year.
99% of sexual assault goes unreported.
Ranked 131 out of 152 countries in women's inclusion and well-being.
Sex ratio is 930 females per 1000 males.
Around 20 women are murdered every day because of dowry.
An increment of 37% domestic violence during COVID-19.
One rape is reported in every 15 minutes.
93.1% of them was of family members and relatives.
Marital rape is 4 times more common.
More than 1000 acid attacks are done, out of which 300 are reported.
So now the problem arises, how can we tackle such situations? So now we are going to make you familiar with some of the basic unknown women rights.
Women have a right to zero FIR.
Women have right against workplace harassment.
Women have rights against being stalked.
Women have the right to get free legal aid.
Women have a right not to be arrested at night.
Women have rights against domestic violence.
Women have a right to register virtual complaints.
Women have right against indecent representation.
Women have the right to dignity and decency.
Women have the right to equal pay.
Female sexual assault victims have right to keep their identity anonymous.
Men and women should have equal rights. Equal rights are not special rights. Woman is the companion of man gifted with equal mental capacity. Happy International Women's Day.
I am grateful to be a woman. I must have done something great in my another life. Happy International Women's Day.
You are a woman and that is a superpower.
You are a real fighter who has sculpted herself when the world let her down. Happy Women's Day.
There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Nowadays, there is nothing that a woman cannot do. And when there is women, there is magic.
We as a country and as a world to realize the true potential of our women must also start focusing our energy from women empowerment to women-led empowerment so that more and more women can be part of the leading forces of the development trajectory of the world.